In this video we take a look at the cable stitch. Stay with me and I'll show you how. Cable stitch can come in different varieties, but essentially it is where the stitches are twisted around each other to make a coiled pattern. And it usually has purl stitches on either side to make it stand out. In this demonstration I have a border of 3 knit stitches, then 3 purl stitches, and there are 6 stitches in the centre for the cable. It looks like a hard and intricate stitch, but it's actually quite simple. So let's get started. As well as our yarn and our standard needles, we will also need a cable needle. These are small double-pointed needles, either straight or curved. I just have the straight ones. They normally come in a pack of 4 with different sizes, and we use either the same size or the next size down from our needle. To begin, I've cast on with 18 stitches and knitted 4 rows of garter stitch. We knit the first 3 stitches, we purl the next 3 stitches, we knit the next 6 stitches, we purl the next 3 stitches, and knit the last 3. On the back side of our work, we purl the first 3 stitches, we knit the next 3 stitches, we purl the next 6 stitches, knit the next 3, and purl the final 3. Now we're going to knit our first cable row. We start off as normal, knitting our first 3 stitches, we purl the next 3, now we've come to the centre 6 stitches where we're going to do our cable. We take our cable needle and we slip the next 3 stitches purlwise. We let those 3 stitches sit on the needle at the front of our work, and we knit the next 3 stitches. Now we come back to the stitches on the cable needle, and we knit those 3 stitches off the needle. So the centre stitches have been twisted around each other. Let's continue with the row. We purl the next 3, and we knit the final 3. The back side of the work always remains the same. Purl 3, knit 3, purl 6, knit 3, and purl the final 3. Our next row, we knit 3, purl 3, knit 6, purl 3, and knit 3. And on the back side, we purl 3, knit 3, purl 6, knit 3, and purl 3. Now that we've done a few rows, we can see our pattern start to form, the indents with the purl stitches, and the twist where we did our first cable. So let's do our next cable. We knit 3, purl 3, we take our cable needle and we slip the next 3 stitches purlwise. We let those hang towards the front and we knit the next 3 stitches. We then pick up our cable needle and we knit off those 3 stitches. And we continue the row, purl 3 and knit the final 3. And on the back side, we purl 3, knit 3, purl 6, knit 3, and purl 3. And we carry on in the same way, repeating the same 4 rows as we go. First row, we knit 3, purl 3, knit 6, purl 3, and knit 3. For row 2, we purl 3, knit 3, purl 6, knit 3, and purl 3. Row 3, we knit 3, purl 3, we take our cable needle and we slip the next 3 stitches purlwise, letting the needle and those 3 stitches hang at the front. Knit the next 3. We then knit the 3 on our cable needle. Purl 3 and knit 3. And for the 4th row, we purl 3, we knit 3, purl 6, knit 3, and purl 3. Carry on repeating those 4 rows until you reach your desired length. And with a few rows done, we can see we have our twisted cable pattern. And that's how to do the cable stitch